Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Education Plus Arena. In last video we saw about what is CSS, how many types of CSS and how to apply CSS in HTML code. In this video we will discuss about some CSS property like CSS border, CSS padding and CSS margin. So the first property is CSS border. So the CSS border property defines a border around the HTML element. So I will show you one example. So here I will write internal CSS for the paragraph within the style tag. So I am giving the border 2 pixel and color I will give solid powder blue. So this CSS will give a style to this paragraph. And now I'll apply inline CSS for the heading. So border I am giving 3 pixel and color I will give solid pink. And now I will save and run this. So this is our output. You can see the border around the heading and the paragraph. Now the next property is CSS padding property. So the CSS padding property defines a padding or extra space between the text and the border. So I will show you one example. So in the previous example only I will add the padding property. So padding I am giving 50 pixel. And for heading I am giving the padding 30 pixel. And now I'll save and run this. So after refresh, you can see the extra space or padding between the text and the border. Now the last property is CSS margin. So the CSS margin property defines a margin or a space outside the border. So I will show you one example. So in the same example only I will add the margin. So margin I am giving 50 pixel. And now I'll save and run this. So after refresh, you can see the space outside the border. So thanks for watching.